Can you hold on to the dock?
Yeah. All right, releasing port line. Ready?
Yeah.
University of Maryland Global Campus, we give our students credit where credit is due. Credit for deciding in the middle of rush hour traffic back and get their bachelor's.
Very nice,
and
Colin.
Credit
Very
for
nice.
3 kids, $2 plus free credit.
Okay. And we're off. You got it?
Yep.
Nice, Colin.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Smooth.
You still may have any bumps up there, okay?
Okay, you're clear.
You want to retract the heel?
Yep.
You want to go and raise the sail?
Is the boom connected? Yay!
Put the pirate ship sails up.
Q4 2024, Q1 2025, which incurred much use for limited on the network. Customers on both plan may notice BTA.
Alrighty, so today we are coming from the northern part of Harris Creek and we're going to sail out because that's where the wind is blowing towards.
That's our only choice.
Yeah, so we're gonna see where the wind takes us today. And it's 77 degrees out today at the beginning of August, which is very unbelievable. It's usually around 97 and humidity of 200%. Just kidding. Maybe like 90%, but it feels like 200%. The wind is blowing 9 knots, gusting to 12 today. So I think that's pretty decent. It'll be a nice and calm sail. So come sail with us today.
felt like last year it didn't feel as windy on land, but then when we got out on the creek, it felt windier.
Mhm.
But this year feels like the opposite.
Right.
Like we were on land, and it's like, ooh, okay. And then we get out here, and it's like, I don't know.
It doesn't hurt to try.
This is, I mean, as long as the sail is full, then our hearts are full.
Oh, I like that, Colin.
Yep.
Poetic.
Put that on a pillow.
As long as the sails are full, our hearts
So
are
our
full.
hearts. Yeah. Yeah. Put it on a pillow on Etsy, and I'm become a millionaire. And I can buy this house up here. Sailing with one finger. Sailing with your pinky. Bliss. I can't tell if I should open up the sail more or take it in.
I like where it is right now. I think it's good because the wind is coming, it's going south.
Yeah, I mean, I think this is as much as I can pick up here. Yeah, it's full. A little full, a lot of sap. Or it should be a little full, a lot of sail. You should get some beef. It's a beautiful day.
Can't be this weather and
You can't
the
ask for anything
first,
more. If you are asking for something more, you're ungrateful.
yeah. You can't ask for anything better in the first week of August. This is amazing.
What do you think? Should I try something else with the sail? Are you trying?
Maybe pull it in a little bit, see how that is. Wait.
Let's try going kind of tacking back and forth here. Like, let's go out like this. Try to pick up some going this way.
Rudder's still there, right?
You're good. We're good. No, there's no rudder jokes on Minnow.
It's too soon. Party continues. There we go.
Tacking.
Thanks for the warning call.
You're welcome. The wind switched. It's
Oh.
kind of just dead right now. It'll pick up. I'm gonna put the pirate ship sails up. Catch it, Pesci.
Next to you.
Dual purpose. Tacking. This is boat passes. Tacking. Trying to make friends in the Harris Creek.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
good.
what it's about.
Good, you're right. Yeah, they're not going too fast.
No.
You're good.
Let me know if there's a boat behind us.
It will.
I'm catching the wind.
Catching it nicely. I think that's kind of what we have to do. We just have to like tack this way and that way. And
Yeah.
So they're building a new house there.
Yeah, you see that right there? Oh yeah.
Ooh. That's the sound it's like.
I love it.
Glad the wind's picking up for you.
Me too. It always picks up around this cove here. I'm good at steering the boat when it's sailing, not when it's motoring.
I guess that's a good thing if you're a sailor. You know?
Yeah.
It's probably better to be good at sailing than motoring.
I am a sailor. I think if we had a motorboat and, you know, like it has a steering wheel,
Yeah.
I could do that. This is nice.
This is why we do it right here.
Ooh, yes. This is why we do it.
Yep. For days like this.
Yes. I love it. So I'm going to go a little bit further on this tack, and then I'm going to tack over there. Make a big zigzag. Just sail as much as I can.
Levels soaring. Serotonin levels rising.
So I think I really like the name Minnow for the sailboat because Colin and I actually both had history of being called
Having nicknames
little
after
fish.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and start tacking back here because we don't want to.
Alright, so when I tack, I want to pull it towards me and pull this in. I should pull this in first, right?
No, it'll automatically do it. You just go. You don't need to do anything with that line. You don't need to do anything with that line. Just turn the other way now.
Okay. Alright, we're going to tack. I think this is going to be a good one.
Mm-hmm. Nope.
I want to.
No, you don't need to do anything with that. Just like that's good.
I just feel like you have more control of it.
I don't think the control level changes at all. Just keep pulling it towards you. There you go.
Here it comes.
If you want to like.
Wait, can you... Okay. I did it.
Nice job.
I think that was a pretty successful tack. What do you think?
The the sail didn't come off, and we turned direction. So
So now I'm gonna, oh, there we go. I'm gonna catch the wind now.
yeah, catch it this way, and we'll just keep kind of tacking back and forth. Always be tacking.
Well, I'm getting some nice shade over here. In a good way.
Must be nice. Throwing shade.
No. Unless you want some.
I'll take some shade.
So, do you all have any suggestions for naming our boat? We have a few that we like. So, we like Minnow the best because both of us had nicknames as little fish. I basically grew up in the swimming pool, and I lived around here, so I was just always in the water. So the lifeguards always call me Little Fish. Colin, last name Fisher, Little Fish. And
It's not like a
so
roll call.
I just
Colin, last name Fisher.
I just think it fits really well, and it kind of brings both of us into the name. Another name that we like, because Colin is a golf professional and he works for Titleist. We're thinking Titleist, like
Title.
Tidal.
Titleist. Oh, hello, Mr. Butterfly.
Oh, a monarch! Thank you for filming that.
Is that an omen to name our boat Monarch?
That's kind of cute.
That's a fun name.
Yeah.
Butterfly must be tired.
Yeah, those are our top two names, and yeah, I'm not sure what else we would want to name it. If anyone has ideas, we're open to them.
Leave a comment down below.
Leave a comment down below. And make sure to like and subscribe for more fun sailing content
It's free.
around the Chesapeake Bay. It is free to like and subscribe.
Costs you 2 seconds. But it helps us tremendously.
Exactly. I think I'm gonna tack.
Okay.
So good to go that way.
Oh, it's caught on the rudder there.
Oh, here comes a boat. We're actually in a good position right now for it.
He's fast. He can go whichever way he needs to.
I just saw a dragonfly.
I thought you said you saw a dragon. Wait,
Get
hold on.
up like that.
Okay.
Oh. Here we go.
Sure. Just a glorious day.
So pretty.
I'm talking about the day, not you, honey.
Oh, the.
This is another sailor.
Oh, I love that boat. It's so classic.
Concerts of the year. I mean, not that anyone loves paying for the parking, but
Hello.
We got some wind now. Look at the curvature of the sail. That's nice.
Ooh, also listen to the sound. My favorite sound.
Oh yeah, ASMR boating time.
Tacking.
Oh yeah, we'll do that now.
Sorry about that.
Okay. See ya. Want to attack in the middle a little bit? ASMR boating. Let's do it back in the middle a little bit.
We are approaching the Choptank River this way. It's pretty calm out today, so I'd like to try going out there a little bit. Ah,
Happy girl.
yes indeed. So last night was another absolutely stunning day in August. It was about 75 degrees out.
78.
The high was 78. Today's high is 81, but yesterday was 78 degrees and the wind was a little bit cool. So we took our paddle boards out since it was so calm out last night and we watched the sunset. Colin and I felt like we were in heaven. It was beautiful. Like the sun was glistening on the water, putting off these pink, orange, and purple tones mixed with the teal water. It was just like a painting. And it was kind of funny because one of our neighbors was having a party and they were just playing Dr. J. And Colin and I were like, we were just thinking, we're like, wow, this is pretty close to what heaven would be like, except without the Dr. J. I think that was hilarious. I like his music, but it just wasn't for the time. Okay, we can see the opening of the Harris Creek into the Choptank River right now. So we're getting a little bit closer there. I think today we can venture out towards the Choptank. It's a light enough wind that we've been able to make it here in good timing and light enough so that we'll feel comfortable to go out onto the Choptank. So I'm excited. That's going to be the farthest that we've ever sailed before. And it's just such a gorgeous day. Ooh, okay, I see some sailboats out towards the Choptank. So I see 2 sailboats out there right now. Maybe we can sail up closer to them. All right, we're getting to the farthest we have ever sailed. And it still looks nice and calm out there. Oh, you see that plane?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of plane is that, Colin?
Cessna. It's a 172. Classic. Good job of putting us in the lead. Nicely done.
Thanks. Oh, there goes a loon. Colin, I didn't know you put the Looney Tunes on. Huh? Where's the tunes? Oh, I thought you were giving me a high five on that joke. Catching some good wind out there. I just want to get out there. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You want to turn the engine on just for like 5 minutes to like go right there?
Okay. In the chop tank.
So we are officially in the chop tank, which is the farthest that Colin and I have ever sailed. And it feels very freeing to finally make it here. So I think
I'd
each time we get a little bit more adventurous.
like to thank my mom and dad for helping me to get this far. And thank the Academy. Oh, sorry, wrong thing.
Silly Colin.
What's that?
Silly Colin.
Okay.
All right, so a big reason why I'm excited to finally make it out into the chop tank is number one, because it kind of has cut the ribbon on our fears and, you know, we're kind of venturing out a little bit further. The other reason is that Choptank River is much deeper than the Harris Creek, and so a lot more wildlife is seen along this river here, including dolphins. So I don't know, maybe I'll get lucky. This year especially, they have spotted hundreds of sightings of dolphins all over the Chesapeake Bay, which is a good sign, meaning that the Chesapeake Bay is becoming healthier and more inhabitable for the animals and the sea life. The Maryland environmentalists have had many goals to help preserve and maintain the health of the Chesapeake Bay, and they've actually exceeded their goals this year, which is a super great sign. A really big role in this project was the Harris Creek project, where they have the largest oyster restoration in the world, and we've really seen how the oysters can clean the waters so quickly. It's absolutely amazing. That's a big difference. So we just want to keep up with it to keep the bay healthy. Thank you to those who are doing their part in keeping the bay healthy, because it's just such a beautiful place, and really the Chesapeake Bay is the largest watershed. A lot of places and towns really rely on the fishing, oysters, and crabbing. It's a big supporter, really help to keep these small towns running. So we're really thankful, and hopefully we can do our part. We might become part of the project where we actually grow our own oysters, and we'll like pick up the cages every few months, I believe, and that will help to raise more oysters so that I can take from there and plant them elsewhere in the bay. So I think that would be really awesome.
It'll be really awesome.
If we were to go further east, that would go further up into the Choptank River, and you can go up towards the back door to St. Michael's, which would be cool. And then a few more hours up would be Oxford or Cambridge. And I had this ice cream from Scottish Highland Creamery, and their home base is in Oxford. I have been meaning to get over there so badly, so I don't know. Hopefully one day we can get over there. If not by sailing, we will drive. And maybe we can bring our paddleboard and kayak.
If not by sea, by land.
Yeah.
Depending on how many lanterns we see.
Yeah. If you go west here out of the Choptank, this is the Chesapeake Bay. Alrighty, so the plan is we have made it to the Choptank. We've sailed a little bit around here, and we have explored new horizons. So to me, it looks like silver linings. I haven't seen any dolphins today. I will turn the camera back on if I do see them. Don't you worry. But I think we are going to kind of motor a little bit more because there's not much wind anymore. And then we're going to turn back around and head back up. What do you think, Kyle? Sounds good?
Sounds great.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the sail. And we hope to see you next time. Happy chasing Chesapeake.